Hey everyone, and welcome to another video in the SEO series of 90-second knowledge. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and the alerts button too, so you get notified of our latest content that's going to help you attract more traffic and sales to your small business. Now in today's video, we're going to talk about Google My Business. It's a great platform from Google that enables small businesses to get more traction and visibility in search results when people are looking for products and services that you sell in their local area. It's great because it allows you to create content, share updates, opening hours, contact information, all the relevant stuff to your business that customers are looking for right in search results, rather than users having to find your website and then navigate to find that information themselves. So this keeps the user in Google rather than bringing them to your website, but it helps them to get in direct contact with you in comparison to your competitors as well. So it's really important to keep it updated as well once you've listed your business. So, want to get started? Let's get 90 seconds on the clock and take a look. First, head to google.com/business, and when you're there, click Manage Now. Click Add your business to Google, give your business a name, and select your business category. Click Next. If you've got a physical store, then you want to select Yes and add your location details. If you don't, just click No. Click Next. Now enter your address details. Click Next. If you also serve customers online, click Yes, and you can also add information about where else you serve customers. In the Areas box, type in the name of the location. This can be as wide as a country. Click Next. If you've got contact details for your business, make sure to enter them here. These will be shown in search results when your business is present. If you're already signed into Google, chances are Google can verify your business based on your Google account. If not, you might need to take extra steps to verify your business, and sometimes this can mean Google sending a physical postcard with a security code to your business address. Add your business hours if they're relevant. If you want potential customers to be able to message you through Google, select Accept Messages. Next, we're going to add a business description. Keep this relevant to your business and include information about your products and services. If you've got some photos of your business, make sure to upload them here. If you haven't, just hit skip. We're nearly ready. Hit continue. You'll now be taken to your Google My Business dashboard, and this is where you can now control your listing, update it, add photos and do other things to keep your business listing up to date. So there you go, that's how you create a Google My Business profile for your company. And don't forget to keep checking back in and making sure your information's up to date so users are always getting the latest information to help them contact and buy from your company. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And join us again soon for more 90-second knowledge videos that are going to help you increase website traffic and sales to your small business.